Why gamble on your new home? You need the peace of mind a home inspection from Hawley Inspections can provide. Here are just a few of the defects a home inspection may find.
We're missing the fascia board. Fascia board needs to be painted or covered with aluminum. But this is the real trick here. From the ground, this looks like siding, but it's actually just 1x12s that have weathered over the years and look brown. We have continuous flashing against the side of the roof. This is not right. We should have 5x7 individual flashings along the roof here. It gets better as we go down the roof. They must have decided that the brick didn't need protected because that's where it stops. The problem is that the water runs right down the roof, and whatever's attached against the wall here will surely rot out over time.
To the untrained eye, this home looked like it was in fairly good condition. However, our trained inspector was able to find numerous defects that could have cost the new buyers thousands of dollars after they moved in. The way it was, they were able to negotiate some of the changes with the seller, and no one was surprised in the end. For all your home inspection needs, give us a call, 618-593-9631 or 314-257-0040. Thank you.